cicada, it's so nice to hear you singing. It's been 17 long years, but bug, tonight you look so pretty, yes you do. No one can sing as loud as you, I swear it's true. Hey there cicada, you have noisemakers called timbals, but that's only in the male adult, who also sport antennae and big eyes. Listen to your voice, it's supersized for a goddamn fly. Oh, up there in the trees, oh, up there in the trees. Cicada, you're up there in the trees, oh, up there in the trees, up there in the trees. Hey there cicada, here's to you, this one's for you.